Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Revolut, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on one of my other videos, and that is, how do you pay someone with Revolut? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, this is going to be a really quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to pay someone with Revolut? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe you have overseas contractors and they ask for you to pay them through their Revolut. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the Revolut app. It's this black and white one right here. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to open up my Revolut app now. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened up my Revolut app. This is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to pay someone with Revolut, first what you're going to do is click on this transfer button down here on the bottom center. It has these directional arrows. Okay, once you do that, you will see your recent transaction history in Revolut. Now, one thing I want to let you know, this is assuming you've already connected your bank to Revolut. If you haven't already done that, go back and watch my other video that describes that process in detail. Now, next what you need to do is choose who you are going to pay through Revolut. So you can go ahead and enter their name if you've connected your contacts with Revolut. I haven't done that. I don't really like to do that. That's up to you. Now, if you don't have their name, it's totally fine because you can go ahead and enter in their email, their cell phone number, or what's called a rev tag. A rev tag is basically your username on Revolut. So if you're going to be paying somebody, you need to ask for their rev tag. And the reason that's there is it's a little bit more private. That way you don't have to disclose your email or your phone number to that person. Also, if you're going to pay someone through Revolut and you're not sure if they have a Revolut account, don't worry about that, because if you send a payment through Revolut to their email, they will receive an email confirming they received money on Revolut, and then they can go ahead and be prompted to set up a Revolut account and then accept that money from you. So I'm going to go ahead and enter the email address I'm sending money through Revolut to right here. Okay, I went ahead and entered in their email address here, and if you're ready to go ahead and send them money through Revolut, look down here and click on this button here called Send or Request Money, and it should show their email or their contact information underneath. Okay, next you're going to see your transaction history with that person, if you have any at all. And what you want to do is click on this blue send button here at the bottom. Okay, next you want to choose how much you want to pay this person. So you can actually change the currencies around if you want. So I have US dollars set up. So if we click on there, you can choose from other various currencies that you might have on Revolut. So we can switch over to Mexican pesos. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and use the US dollars. Next, you want to choose how much you want to pay that person with Revolut. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to send a little bit. And next you can go ahead and add a note. And that way that person understands why you're paying them through Revolut. This is optional, but I would recommend it, and that way you can reference it and they can at a future date. So if all that looks good to you and you would still like to go ahead and pay someone with Revolut, click on this blue send button. Okay, next it pops into the conversation that you have with that person. So as you can see, I sent them $1 and we just need to wait for them to create their account and accept the payment. Let me show you what the email looks like that they're going to receive, that they have money in Revolut. Okay, so here is a copy of that email. So it lets them know that they received $1 from me on Revolut and that they have 24 hours to go ahead and claim that money by clicking on this link. And once they click on that link, it's either going to prompt them to log into their Revolut account to accept the payment that we sent, or to go ahead and create an account if they don't already have one. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to pay someone with Revolut, that is the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.